As a bonus, guys, let's clean this really nasty barrel with Adams. Just to show you guys how this product makes it easy. Or is it? Man, this wheel is so caked up. It's unbelievable. I mean, you need acid or something like that. You would probably need straight acid to clean this off good. It's kind of a lost cause. So it was a super hard test for our product. Definitely need acid to clean those. Wow, so caked up. So pitted. Okay, so as you guys can see, you're gonna need so many rounds to clean this off. You definitely need acid, or those wheels should be sanded, or I don't know, redone at some point. Very nasty. Okay, my friends, welcome to the ultimate best tire cleaner comparison. Today, we will find out who is the best tire cleaner between the 4 products. So no BS, no hypes, just facts. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's jump right into it. My friends, so in this test, 2 products came on top. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video from beginning to end. Before we do that, we're gonna be looking at 4 things on each individual product. First off being the pricing for the 16 ounces and the gallon size. After that, we're gonna be looking at the scent. Some tire cleaner have some really harsh smell that you want to avoid, so I'll give you my 2 cents on that. And then finally, at the end, I'm gonna be looking at the cleaning power, obviously, and the overall user experience. So the first time we're gonna clean them is to get the cleaning power, and secondly, we're gonna do a second round of cleaning just to make sure that the foam of the product is white, or are we still pulling brown from the tire. So very important to double check our work for this test. Okay, so why would you clean your tire in the first place? Take more time to clean your tires. Well, that's very easy. Just look outside on the street. Some cars are pretty shiny, but they have really caked up and brown tires. That's really not the look that we want to look for when it comes to car detailing. So investing some extra time to scrub and clean your tires is gonna pay off in the long run. Your tire is gonna stay cleaner, it's gonna look better, your tire dressing is gonna bound and look better. So overall, that's just gonna make your wheel and tire package that much better. It's the same principle as applying lotion on your skin. You want to take a shower, you want to clean the skin before applying a lotion. I hope you guys are ready. Let's jump into the cleaning power test. Okay, my friends, so welcome to the best tire cleaner on the market. So on the left, we have Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, which is an excellent tire cleaner. And then we have the Gyeon tire cleaner. Up front, we have the Bola Solution Maximizer Brown technology. And on the far right, we have Carpro Retyre. Those tires have not been cleaned at least for a year. Okay, so first off, we'll do 1 tire at a time and check out the results at the end. So the Carpro has a spray foamer with the ready-to-use version, I mean with the 16-ounce bottle. But it's a little bit more difficult to apply and clean this. As you can see, really nice browning effect. I'll do about 6 passes up top, 6 passes at the bottom. Carpro Retyre, 24 bucks for 16 ounce. and $100 for a gallon. That's the Canadian price for carzilla.ca. So I'll have the link down below for you guys to check it out. And my pros for this product is going to be the neutral scent. So there's no scent coming off this heavy cleaner. This is an extreme powerful tire cleaner, guys. So this is what I really appreciate about this one, all right? No hard scrubbing. So let's rinse. Okay, now the Bola solution. Also foamy as you spray it, but it comes with a regular sprayer. And you get the browning as soon as the product hits it. So we gave this some dwell time as well. Make sure we have a good scrub action to be fair with each product. We have the Bola solution from carzilla.ca. This is a brand from South Korea. This one is a 1 liter, but you should pay $23 for 500 ml or $80 for a full gallon. So this is a nice product. They could improve the scent on it. This has quite a bit of a strong smell, but if you use it outside, it's not going to be a problem. This is a nice product. Okay, the Gyeon, my first time using it. And don't forget, we're gonna clean them twice. The second round of cleaning is gonna make sure that we have accomplished our tire cleaning with one pass. It has a different smell than the others, but it's not offensive. Okay, as you scrub it, some brown is coming up. If you like this type of video, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already, and click on the like button and show me your support. All right, so let's get back into the video. All right, our third product for today's test is Gyeon Tire Cleaner. $17 for 500 ml or $65 for a full gallon. This is a ready-to-use product. What they can improve is this product could be a little bit more foamier as you apply it. I wish it would cling to the tires, not run down at the bottom of the tire. So this is one thing they could improve, and it cleans really well. You're gonna see in the footage. This is a good product with a fair price, all right? Okay, so let's do the add-ons. Maybe this test can change my mind. We'll see when the tire is dry. Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, one of my favorite. This product is so versatile. It's just as good for tire and wheels at the same time. So if you wanna avoid using different products, you can just buy this one and use it for wheels and tire. You can dilute this according to your needs. But like I said, if you get some really trash wheels and tire, you wanna use this as a ready-to-use product, all right? So its strong point, it's the versatility and the cleaning power, obviously, as you're gonna see in the cleaning power test. Okay, so let's do a second trip, see if we have some brown foam again, or is it just all white foam, which would tell us that the tire is completely clean. So as you can see, only white foam on this. Very good from Adams, as expected. So very nice on the second pass for Adams, all white foam. Okay, so let's do a second pass with the Gyeon. Don't worry, the brush has been rinsed. White foam. Okay, second trip with the Bola. seems pretty clean, pretty whitey foam. Okay, second trip with the Carpro Retyre. Do I even have to apply so much product? No, it's already pretty white. So no need, guys. All the products did a good job with one pass. Okay guys, so all 4 tires are looking pretty fresh, pretty good. Maybe the Adams looks a little bit better. It's gonna be hard to tell on the camera, but if I had to guess, the Adams looks the best with the least maybe brown in the grooves. And then the Carpro as well. So number 1 is gonna be Carpro with Adams, but all very good products nonetheless. We're splitting hairs here. Carpro, Retyre, and Adams wheel and tire cleaner came on top in this test. Both products removed the last 10 to 15% dirt that was stuck in the texture of the rubber. So those 2 products are my favorite. Probably Retyre being my ultimate favorite, but the price is a little bit steep. So guys, as usual, use those products sparingly. Use them only when needed, when you get the filthy and nastiest tires. So now that you know who is the best tire cleaner, you wanna know who's the best tire dressing right here. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.